Hi, I'm David Carruthers. I'm the principal here at Florida Risk Partners, and I wanted to answer a question today that I think probably a lot of you have. Whether you're a personal lines client or a commercial lines client, you're probably wondering why your agent is asking you for the target premium or the expiring premiums on your account. And I'm a human being, so I understand that my first inclination would be to think that it's so that the underwriter could be more competitive, or so that that agent knows how much I'm paying right now so that they can have an advantage over my incumbent agent. But the reality is, your incumbent agent already has that information, so they don't need to ask you for it. Here's the deal. We're in the hardest market of all time, at least in the 20 years I've been in the industry. And this is not a time to be playing games when your account is going out to get quoted at renewal, or even if it's a new business. The reason that we ask for target premium isn't because we want to cheat. We have a rough idea of what it is that you're paying, but the reality is we need to know whether or not the account is even going to fit in the underwriting box and be profitable. Without having that expiring premium or that target premium, we can't marry your loss information to an overall amount of premium that the insurance company takes in. And what they're going to do is divide your losses into the premium, and that's going to give the underwriter what we call in the industry your loss ratio. They need to make sure that that loss ratio is within tolerance. If your expiring premium results in the loss ratio being 120%, you're basically asking the insurance company to write your account at a complete loss and actually pay out more than what they're taking in. And as we all know, that's not a sustainable business model. They need to be able to get the premium to a tolerable level, and where they're going to at least have some level of profit, or try to have some level of profit right at the onset. So if you've had this question, I want to make sure you understand it's not something shady. It's not to help compete. It's literally doing two things. It's giving the agents you're going out to for quotes the exact same information that your current agent has, so they have a fair chance in the marketplace to then, number two, represent to your underwriter exactly what you're paying, so they can compare that to what they've paid out in losses historically as an insurance company, and make sure that that pricing comes in at a level that everybody can live with. You know, I think a lot of times we feel in negotiations that one side has to win and the other one has to lose. That really isn't how this should work. It needs to be a dance, and we need to be dance partners. So I would appreciate anybody who's sending things to my office, and I know that my peer group does the same, knowing exactly why we need this and having all of the information, because that's always going to get you the best result in this extremely difficult marketplace.